Today is the MemeFi snapshot. So you need to do this as quick as possible. So you need to activate your MemeFi Airdrop wallet. So you discover that this your airdrop, the wallet section. So when you come here, you can see the airdrop wallet. You can see airdrop here. So the airdrop wallet is open. That means it's activated. So if yours is not activated, you need to actually do this fast. So if yours is like this, it's different from this. So you have to activate it as fast as you can. So the first thing you need to do is to make sure if you are in Nigeria, you need a VPN to do this. A VPN. So you can download any of the VPN and turn it on. So my VPN is on, as you can see from up here. So my VPN is on. So then I'm going to come to change wallet. So next it said rebind wallet. So for you to rebind wallet, you click on yes, rebind wallet. So it's going to redirect you to OKS. Just wait for a few seconds. So now it's asking us OKS wallet is available on OKS app and Telegram. So you can either use any of the two. So if you are using the app, you can copy the seed phrase and import it on OKS wallet on Telegram. So it's still the same account if you use the same seed phrase. So I'm going to use the app to connect. So just wait for a few seconds, it will reload and bring out the approval page. So now it's asking, do you want to connect your if I want to connect your, so you click on connect wallet. It said connected. So that is just a simple way on how to get it activated. What to do, this one is said confirming transactions. You cancel this one, so we don't need it. So what you need to confirm is that this, after the connection,